Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can add the text in a Hitfilm Express 12, and it's really easy. So all you have to do is be here on your timeline and have a video. Click here text, and just create this object. Now write what you can, like okay, intro. But as you can see, the text was created here under the video. I'm just going to take it and I will take it up so I can see it. And now, where to find how you can adjust a text in a Hitfilm Express. So all you have to do is just click here, click text, and you can change the color like that. Let's change it whole. Okay, now you can also change how large it is, the distance between letters, and it's kind of it. So this is how you add a text in a Hitfilm Express 12. If this video was helpful, definitely hit the subscribe button. Thank you all everybody, and goodbye.